guys, I got my hair cut and I'm super happy about it, but let's jump into the eyes. First palette we're taking is the Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm taking that deep purple shade with this BH Cosmetics Buffing Small Defining Brush. And I'm placing this color super harshly into my crease and just really focusing on getting it as deep and purplish as possible. And then I'm gonna go in with the transition color and blend it all out. So with my kind of eye shape, I just stopped right there in the corner, and then slowly we're going to drag the color out with the transition. Alright, next color we're going to take is this bright pinky purple shade, and this is going to be our transition in our crease, so I'm going to make sure that I blend this thoroughly. All I'm doing is taking a little bit more purple and just defining the crease even more, and then I'll go back in with my transition brush and just blend everything out for a second time. Alright, now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to apply that onto my lid. Look up, look around, look down, and girl, this is how I do my cut creases. This is how you can actually find your crease. If you look up and you look around once you have concealer on your eyelid, it'll map out your crease for you to make it easier to cut your crease. Alright, I'm sorry guys about not being clear in the camera, but I'm just taking a little bit more purple with a angled small defining brush, and I am just concentrating this purple really close to that line that we just cut, so that way it's a little bit more defined. And then I'm taking a little bit more of that pinky purple transition shade and just blending it out just a little. Alright, all I'm going to do is just repeat the same steps onto the other eye. Alright, next palette we're going to take is the NYX Air Palette. I'm taking this light peach and this deeper peach and just pop it on my lid. Alright, now I'm going to take the Too Faced Glitter Pop eyeliner in Fairy Queen, and I'm going to apply it right where we cut the crease to give the look a little bit more of a pop. Okay, so I'm taking my Clinique Pretty Easy liquiding pen and I'm creating my usual wing. My mascara, I'm taking my trusty Benefit Bang Mascara. For lashes, I'm using my Lilly lashes in the style Mykonos. For foundation, I did get a sample of the new Too Faced Praline shade. Just because I'm a little bit tanner, I wanted to have like a sample first to see if I actually like it, even though I do. I always love Too Faced, but still like to check the color and everything. And I absolutely love this color, and love the foundation. For concealer, I'm just taking my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm applying it to the usual areas in the center of the face. All I'm doing is taking my foundation brush and just blending the edges of that concealer so there's no harsh lines. To cream contour, I'm taking the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette in that deep brown shade. I'm only applying a little to the cheeks because this color can get gray very quick, so work with a little. To set my concealer, I'm taking the Becca Hydra Mist Powder and just applying it to the center of my face. To set the rest of my face, I'm taking the new Be a Light palette from Becca, and this is the medium to tan shade. And I'm taking that right corner shade in a big fluffy brush, and I'm just setting everywhere else. For bronzer, I'm going to take the same palette in these two shades, just so that way my bronzer has a little bit of a glow, and I'm applying it right onto the cheeks. Alright, now we're taking Benefit Gold Rush Luminizing Blush, and I'm popping it right onto the cheeks just to add more glow. And it just smells fantastic. For highlight, I'm taking my baby, the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Me Money and Hustla Baby. Back into the eyes, I'm taking the Marc Jacobs Eyeliner in black and applying it to my waterline. To smoke out the eyeliner, I'm taking the Kat Von D Shade in Light Quad palette and this deep plum shade, and I'm applying it really close to the black so we can smoke it out. Now I'm just taking this deep peach shade from the NYX Air Palette and I'm using it to blend out that purple. For lips, I'm taking the NYX Lipliner in Nutmeg and I'm just overlining my lips just a little. Okay, for lipstick, I am actually using a Maybelline lipstick that I haven't used in years. I'm not sure of the name, but I would have it in the description box below for you guys. Okay guys, this wraps up the look. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did creating it. Everything came out absolutely beautiful. My hair, the look, everything. I'm just feeling myself. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and I will see you guys in my next one.